Welcome to the latest edition of News of Electronics Weekly. I'm your host Pavel Yankovich. Let's dive into the top electronics stories from the past few days. We've got some market updates, exciting product releases, and much more, so let's get started. In a surprising turn of events, long-term rivals Intel and AMD have teamed up to form the x86 Ecosystem Advisory Group. This partnership aims to shape the future of x86 architecture, as both companies face growing competition from ARM and RISC-V. The goal is to improve standardization and compatibility across the whole x86 platform, making life easier for hardware and software developers. Tech giants like Microsoft, Google, Dell, and HP are also on board, adding even more weight to this effort. While Intel and AMD remain fierce competitors, this collaboration shows a broader industry shift towards unified innovation, especially with the rising demand for computing power. But with ARM gaining ground, this alliance might be key in determining the future of the chip market. ASML, a critical player in chip-making equipment, recently shook the market by lowering its 2024 outlook. Investors were initially worried it might signal a downturn in the whole industry, but experts suggest it's more about temporary factory overcapacity. On top of that, ASML accidentally published its earnings report ahead of time, adding more confusion. Samsung is also delaying deliveries of ASML's advanced gear for its US factory, which could affect production timelines. Meanwhile, Intel is pressing forward with its second €270 million High-NA extreme ultraviolet machine, showing their confidence in future production, despite mixed signals from the market. The chip industry is clearly in a complex phase, with companies adapting to shifting circumstances. Turning to TSMC, the company is having an impressive year. In Q3, they posted a massive 54% jump in profit, earning over $10 billion, thanks to high demand from Nvidia and Apple. Their AI server chips have been flying off the shelves, making up about 15% of their revenue. And TSMC's CEO, C.C. Wei, believes this is just the beginning of a long AI-driven boom. On the stock market, TSMC hit a record high, reaching a market cap of $874 billion, which is the highest in Asia. But it's not all smooth sailing. TSMC might face some turbulence as the US Commerce Department investigates their ties with Huawei. The company denies any fault and is committed to complying with export laws. For now, though, TSMC continues to ride the AI wave. In other news, Altium's Team-Up Trade-Up bundle has been turning heads, offering 10 working seats for €25,440. For comparison, a single Altium Designer seat costs €5,500 per year. This new team bundle includes full access to Altium Designer, real-time ECAD-MCAD collaboration, powerful project management tools, procurement features, and Jira integration. It's a time-limited offer that could be very appealing for teams looking to boost productivity with an all-in-one solution. Big news from Avnet as well, as they have launched a new integration for Autodesk Fusion. This tool gives design engineers direct access to over 2 million reference designs, up-to-date part pricing, and real-time alternative component suggestions, all inside the Autodesk Fusion interface. Engineers can view part symbols and 3D models right in their designs, and built-in cost analysis tools help to manage budgets in real time. With the ability to compare lead times and costs, this integration is a big step for speeding up product development. That's all for this episode of News of Electronics Weekly. We'll be back next week with more updates on the latest trends in electronics and hardware design. Stay tuned and thanks for watching and listening.